None of the teams scored in the first period, but Canada advanced to 7 minutes 18 seconds of the second period. U.S. defense Megan Keller was serving an interference penalty when forward Megan Agosta, a Vancouver police officer, received a good pass from Natalie Spooner and beat goalkeeper Maddie Rooney from close range. Canada extended its lead to 2-0 at 14:56 of the second period when Sarah Nurse, skating on the left side, unleashed a shot from the circle that caught Rooney in the shoulder and appeared under the crossbar. The Nurse is a cousin of defender Darnell Nurse of Edmonton Oilers of the NHL. The Americans received a penalty kick at 16:08 of the second period after Canada's Hayley Irwin closed her hand over the puck in the crease, but Lamoureux-Davidson said she thought her backhand caught the fist of Lacasse's staff. Another good opportunity, this one for Decker during a power play, rang from the right post. "We take what we can and we develop it. What we must fix is to improve. We have to take positive things where we can," said Lamoureux-Davidson. "We have to bury our possibilities. We had many shots on the net and many opportunities and some loose discs on the net and we were only inches from many of them.